Hello, it's me Shifa and welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to give you a quick room tour video of the apartment I'm currently living in. Actually, I'm an MBA student and I'm doing internship from a different city, so I rented this apartment. I tried making it look like as much home as possible, and it's feeling like I'm living in my early adulthood, doing all the household works, cleaning, cooking, and taking out time from my daily hectic schedule for my own self and managing all the extra things. So it's a great journey, and in mid of that I thought of making this video. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. So let's enter to my room. This is the entrance and I made this one. Let's now enter. So as we entered the room, I will first start from this side and then I will go to that another side. So let me just talk about the left hand side first. As you can see, there are two doors. I will visit this afterwards. This is my bedroom, and this one I just keep it closed. I don't use this. Okay, there is this two sofas over here, and then that's long window, and I just decorated it with this money plant leaves. These are the two sofas, and then this TV unit area. Let me just first switch on the lights and open the window a bit. Okay. So about this TV unit area, I would like to say that this was there previously, and this thing is not quite looking good. I think this just came out. Okay, so like other than that, this place is good, but this is the only area that looks so bad. Okay, so this I made this thing. Okay, and yeah, that's how this area looks like. I just keep things here and few other materials here. So this is how this TV unit area looks like, and then this big window, and I have placed this one over here, and this is how it looks like. All right, now I will move to that door, and that's the bedroom. Okay, so as we are entering to the room, let me show you. On the left side I've just put the hooks so that I can keep my clothes. This is my suitcase, and I haven't opened it yet. I just keep all my clothes over here. Whenever I need any, I'll just take out one from here. And then this is the mirror. I have just put this money plant leaves over here also. They come in set of 3, and I ordered them from Miso, and it looks so good, Okay, and then this big window, another one. I use this newspapers to cover because it's too hot and the sun rays are too much. Today it's like it has rained today, and that's why the temperature is little bit good, but honestly speaking, I just can't tolerate the heat, so I just do this kind of stuffs. And I have also kept this as see. So yeah, that's the window, and then I am having these cupboards. They are big enough. I don't use the upper one. I just use this 3. Mere liye kafi hai. And then that's the washroom, and we have another window in this side. Let me just show you the outside. I stay in fourth floor, and that's why I just get this such a nice view. I don't have anything in front, any building in the front side of mine, and not on that side also. So I just can keep every time this windows open. Basically, I open them in the evening or at night. Okay. And I would also like to show this area. I just keep the mosquito coil over here. The permanent position that this one has received, because it's sometimes the machars are too much and I need to give that again and again. So yeah, in front of my house there is a public walk garden, and that's how the outside looks like. And now let me show the bed. This is the bed. Okay. And I have also got a drawer which comes handy, like all the important materials that I need any time of the day, especially the study materials, maybe the work materials, and etc etc. I just keep over here. And then I have just did this too. These are the daily tasks that I need to do over here. I have just made a list of those, and these are the few things that I kept. And yeah, that's how the room looks like. It's my bedroom, and it's so airy and spacey. I really love this place. And now, as I have done this, I will move to the right side. On the right side is the kitchen area. Okay, let me just give you an overall view. Okay, let me just start from this side. So as I enter, on the right hand side I have this portion. I just bought this one. This is a new one. I just bought order with a hit. And then as I move, I have these two cupboards, but I just use this one. I just don't use the upper one. I have kept all the materials. It's so lovely that we are in our adulthood and I am doing the cooking and all the other stuff, laundry, going to the dustbin, etc etc. This is my dustbin areas, like whatever the dustbins are, I just keep here, and at night I will go out and I will just throw them. We have a big dustbin at the ground floor. We just go and dump these things over there. Now let me just talk about the kitchen area. So this is how it looks like we get this pipe, the gas comes from here. In Gujarat, this is the kind of system that we receive. Okay, and then I keep my all the basic spices over here. There is so many drawers, but I just use this too. Okay, I don't need multiple things. And this is the thing. I just bought this from Miso, and it's I use it both, like the front part for cutting and chopping, and the back part for roti making and other stuffs like that. This is the third money plant leaves that I bought. I just kept it over here. Another thing, this is the window, and it's too hot, and that's why I just randomly one day I just woke up and I just put this newspapers, and that's why I made this three things. It's too hot to deal this portion. And these are the cute stuffs that I bought. There's day-to-day materials, and yeah, this is the water. And now I will just open the this is the washing area, as well as I can just keep my clothes over here. It's a kind of balcony and washing area kind of thing. So like this is the thing. It's not this is the thing, and the view that we get from here is this kind. I hope you can see it. Yeah, it's lovely, it's nice. So yes, that was the thing. I hope it was nice watching my room tour, and I am right now dealing with my adult kind of life where I'm doing my internship and all the other tasks that once were just handled by parents. It's now my time to do everything alone, living the life, and yeah, I'm just enjoying it. So yes, that was it. hope you loved this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you.